In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an image to your GitHub README file. This is a great way to make your repository more visually appealing with screenshots, logos, or diagrams. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. Open the repository where you want to add the image. Click Add File and select Upload Files. On the Upload page, click Choose Your Files and select the image from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Now, open the image you just uploaded in your repository. Click the three-dot menu and select Copy Permalink to copy the image URL. Next, return to the repository's main page and scroll down to the README section. Click the pencil icon to edit the README. Place your cursor where you want the image to appear and enter the Markdown image syntax using your preferred alt text and the image URL you copied. Finally, click Commit Changes to save your README. Your image will now appear in the GitHub README file. That's how to add an image to a GitHub README. Thanks for watching.